understood the assignment and like maybe it's giving full professional. Okay, this is actually the worst part. Ow. Oh, working some of my eyebrows. Okay.
Crown Baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys stop, drop, and roll into that subscribe button down below. Join our team, consider our bench. We would love to have you here, of course. Also, follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be on the screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how this goes. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, babe, so we're just gonna hop straight into this video. As you guys can see from the title, we're gonna do some DIY lashes. Now, if you've been on my channel for a while or you're just keeping up with the lash videos, thanks, boo. I'm a huge fan of beauty on a budget, baddie on a budget, and doing things ourselves. Self-efficiency is key, and that's how we saving money. I don't have hundreds of dollars to be given to these girls, okay, for my lashes, for my nails, for my hair. I just don't have it. I'm the DIY queen. With that being said, this is another lash video, and a company by the name of Forabelly, I hope I'm saying that right, Forabelly sent me over some amazing goodies to share with you guys and to try out for myself. So I'm really excited / nervous. We're gonna get into it and we can be nervous together. So I got some nice lashes here, and they are cashmere lashes at a mix C 0.10, and it's a mix of 8mm all the way to 15mm. I have a mix D 0.15, a mix CC 0.20, and it goes all the way from 8 to 15mm. Letters are for the actual curl itself, and then the numbers 0.1, 0.2, and 0.15. Those are actually like the thickness of each individual lash. So today for this video, I think I'm gonna use the C. I've run my fingers through all of these lashes and like, child, it's very soft. And sometimes I like dramatic, but also I like a natural look. So I'm just gonna try the C.10 and we're gonna see where it takes us. They also sent me over the Pure Sensitive glue. By the way, this is professional glue, which is the reason why your girl is nervous, because normally in my lash videos I always just use the Ardell, IMV, very at-home friendly DIY lashing glues. Okay, so this one is definitely a professional glue, so I'm really excited and again very nervous to try this out. Also sent me along with the glue the accelerator, so the Forabelly Max accelerator, because this is a sensitive glue for yourself obviously, or for people who have very sensitive eyes. It has very low fumes and it's not as strong, but the drying time is a little bit longer than the drying time of that like an extreme lash glue for professional. That glue is going to dry in 3 seconds or less, but because this is sensitive, it takes a little bit more time, so 7 to 8 seconds is your drying time. The accelerator actually accelerates the drying time and it lowers the fume. So these are great products for the DIYers like myself. Now, this is my first time again trying this glue. Please do everything at your own risk. I am not a professional whatsoever, so that's why your girl is very nervous, but I am going to be 100% safe and try to protect my eyes as much as possible. I got to use these things for the rest of my life, so that's important. And then last but not least, they also sent me the eyelash shampoo. So I will be using this to clean my eyes every morning when I wash my face. I believe it comes with a brush inside too. So I will give a tutorial on how I use the eyelash shampoo one of these days if it's not in this video. Now that we've seen all of our goodies, we're going to hop into this tutorial. Let me get my tweezers out. Hold up. I have some needle nose tweezers to separate my lashes, and then I have some kind of curved needle nose tweezers as well to apply my lashes. Also have some lash tape I got from Amazon, and I'm not really a huge fan of, so I probably will pair this along with this tape. Now don't judge me, this is tape that you use for like double-sided for your clothes, but this really sticks to my face. It's gonna help me really lift my eyelid up. Last but not least, I have a fan. And I can't forget my little spoolie. I got a pack of like 60 from the beauty supply store for like $3. So I did want to show you guys what I'm actually doing. So I'm literally just using the lash accelerator and going along the very bottom part of the strip before I even apply the lashes. And then it says to allow it to dry at least 2 minutes before you apply. So I have over here the actual lashes that I'll be using. I just lifted them up from on this side with my tweezers and just placed them along the actual clear part to separate them so I could actually reach them. To prep my eyes, first of all, we're making sure that all of our tools are clean. So I went ahead and wiped these with alcohol and let them dry. Then I'm gonna be using some rose water toner that's alcohol free on my eyes. I've already washed my face with Dr. Bronner's gentle soap, but I'm just gonna go in and reiterate with some rose water toner along my lash line and my eyes so that we get rid of all oils. The less oil, the longer retention. Remember that. Finished my first eye. I wanted to do it off camera just because I wanted to get the hang of it. So here is what we're looking like. Let me take my out. So here is how my eye is looking. Once I started to get into a rhythm, I understood the assignment and like maybe it's giving full professional, okay? It was very easy to apply these lashes. It definitely stuck a lot easier than my at-home lash extension glues. I'm just gonna let you guys kind of watch me work on the second eye just so you can kind of see how I'm moving and grooving. I did a little cat eye situation. I started with 9 and then I went all the way up to 14. I did have a little bit of eye water. I can kind of feel a little tingle here and there. So when I do feel that, I just go ahead and take my fan and I feel relief. So I haven't had any issues so far. Nothing's sticking. My eyes still open, as you can see. I will say that this glue is really sticky. I was struggling at the beginning. The lash and the glue would kind of stick to my tweezers when I was trying to apply, so that was my biggest struggle. I'm gonna get into the second eye just because that eye at least took me a good little 2 hours, give or take. But now that I got the hang of it, I'm definitely gonna move a lot faster. Re-up my glue. You don't need a lot of this. A little goes a long way, hence the bottle. Let me just show you guys how I pull the lashes. I'm gonna start with the 14s. I place my tweezers at the bottom and then I pull them down and up. So then I kind of just use my hand and then I squeeze and make a fan. Once I do that, I kind of dip the lash into the glue, wipe off the excess, and then my ring has a little like groove in it, so I just put the lashes through that groove and pull off the excess. You have a pretty good little fan there. First couple lashes, I just tried to find a lash that I could just press it on. I don't really use my second set of tweezers until I begin to fill more of the lashes in. I use less lashes if I see that the lash that I'm trying to apply the extension on is a little bit weaker. You don't want to put a big heavy fan onto a thinner lash or a weaker lash because it's going to break that lash down even more, and then your lash fan is going to be hanging over your eyelid. That's what we don't want. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me work and we're gonna hop back in. Also, real quick before I continue to go, I'm placing the lash at my lash line, but having a little bit of space in between my skin and my actual base of my natural lash because I don't want to put the extension directly on the bottom of my lash where it's touching my skin. We want to at least have a little bit of space in between. So also remember that. Okay, so I'm officially done with this eye. I was gonna be done, but then I seen some spaces that I wanted to fill in. This is actually the worst part. Ow. Oh, working some of my eyebrows. Okay. Oh, here are the lashes. Got a couple problem children that I'm trying to straighten out. But overall, here she is. I love it, and they're so natural. They're not like too much. They're just dramatic enough. At least for me, I'm not like a super dramatic type of a lash girl, so this is just enough for me, honestly. I feel good, I look good, and now I'm just ready for vacay. You know what I mean? Like, we're just ready. Huge shout out to For Belly and Chloe. Thank you so much for wanting to collab with me. I absolutely am in love with these lashes so far. I don't have any complaints. Like I said, I am gonna come with a how to use the shampoo that they sent me. Be on the lookout for that video. I don't know if it'll be a YouTube short or if it'll be an actual video. Definitely let me know how you guys think about this look. I do want to try some different like eye looks because I feel like my go-to is a cat eye, just because I like the way that, you know, it makes my eyes look. It's giving me seduction. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions on how I can get a super cute sultry look still, and it's not like too hard for me. Remember, I'm a beginner too. All of the information and links to these products, of course, will be down in the description box. That is all for this video. Hope that you all enjoyed it. Make sure if you did, you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns, and I will see you babes on the next one. I'm about to go flick it up real quick, but I love you babes. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a kiss. Mwah.